4.6 billion years ago, the Earth did not exist. There were no oceans, no continents, no life. Only a vast cloud of gas and dust drifting through the Milky Way galaxy. Inside that cloud, gravity slowly began pulling material together. At first, the change was subtle, but over millions of years, the cloud collapsed inward. As it collapsed, the center became hotter and denser. Pressure increased. Temperatures rose higher and higher, until finally, nuclear fusion ignited. A new star was born. That star became the Sun, and with its birth, our solar system began to form. Around the newborn Sun, a giant spinning disk of gas and dust appeared. Inside this disk, tiny particles constantly collided. Some shattered apart, others stuck together. Dust became pebbles. Pebbles became rocks. Rocks became enormous drifting bodies. Scientists call these objects planetesimals. They were the building blocks of planets. But the early solar system was not peaceful. It was violent and chaotic. Planetesimals smashed into each other constantly. Every collision released enormous energy. Some bodies shattered into fragments. Others merged together and grew larger. Gradually, the biggest objects began dominating their surroundings. These growing worlds are known as protoplanets. One of them would eventually become Earth, but the young Earth looked nothing like the planet we know today. As it formed through countless impacts, enormous heat was released. The surface of the planet became incredibly hot, so hot that rock itself melted. The entire world was covered in molten lava. From space, early Earth looked like a glowing red sphere. Rivers of magma flowed across the surface. Volcanoes erupted everywhere. Ash and gases filled the young atmosphere. This was a planet of fire. Yet even in this violent environment, Earth continued evolving. Asteroids and rocky debris still filled the young solar system. Some of them crashed into Earth. Others drifted past into deep space. But one object in particular would change Earth's history forever. Somewhere nearby, another protoplanet was forming. This world was about the size of Mars. Scientists call it Theia, and eventually, Theia crossed Earth's path. When the two worlds collided, the impact was catastrophic. The collision released unimaginable energy. Huge portions of Earth's molten surface were blasted into space. Vast clouds of glowing debris spread outward. For a time, Earth was surrounded by a massive ring of molten rock. But gravity slowly began pulling the debris together. Fragments collided and merged. Gradually, those fragments formed a new world, the Moon. In the early days after its formation, the Moon orbited much closer to Earth than it does today. It appeared enormous in the sky, a constant reminder of the violent collision that created it. After the giant impact, Earth slowly began to cool. The molten surface gradually solidified. A dark crust formed across parts of the planet. Volcanoes continued releasing gases into the atmosphere. These gases created a thick blanket of clouds surrounding Earth. For millions of years, water existed only as vapor high above the surface. But as the planet cooled further, the water vapor condensed. Clouds thickened across the sky, and eventually rain began to fall. Scientists believe rain may have fallen for thousands or even millions of years. Water poured onto the planet. It filled valleys and basins across the surface. Slowly, vast oceans formed. For the first time, Earth became a world of water. These oceans would later become the cradle of life. And deep within those ancient seas, something extraordinary happened. life appeared. Tiny microscopic organisms began living in the oceans. They were simple, but over billions of years, life slowly evolved into more complex forms: plants, animals, and eventually humans. Throughout this entire story, the sun shaped Earth's destiny. Its gravity held the planets in orbit. Its light warmed Earth's surface. Its energy powered the chemistry that allowed life to emerge. Without the sun, Earth would be a frozen world drifting through darkness. But instead, our planet became something rare, a living world. Today, Earth is covered in oceans, forests, mountains, and deserts. Clouds move across the atmosphere. Life fills nearly every corner of the planet. Yet beneath this peaceful appearance lies a violent past. A history written in fire, in collisions, in cosmic chaos. Our planet was born from destruction, from molten rock and cosmic debris. A world capable of supporting life eventually emerged. And even now, Earth's story is still being written. Continents continue to move. Mountains rise and erode. Life continues to evolve. And far in the future, our planet will enter entirely new chapters of its cosmic journey. But it all began in a cloud of dust, around a newborn star.